to have a water supply installation material list, first of all, you should have a water supply system installed in your project. Then, go to the Water tab and find Materials List. After clicking on this icon, you can place such lists of materials on the view. By default, the mouse holds it by the center. In the ArCADia Water Supply Installation program, we have the option of inserting such a list by its remaining 9 points, including the top left corner. So it will be easiest to insert it on the view so that it does not cover other elements. After clicking the left button, the list is inserted. To change the number of columns in such a materials list, it is necessary to select such a list and go to the Properties in the Modification window. In the Properties window at the bottom, you can change the visibility of the columns. They are divided into available elements and elements used. We can choose, for example, a manufacturer and move it to the elements available. Also, we can transfer type to the elements available because, as we see in the description, also there are no values. Nothing is added. The description will also move. At this point, the program has narrowed our list to only those visible columns. After selecting the materials list, we can move it to the RTF text editing program. To do this, click on the RTF icon. We click, and at this time the program opens us the ArCADia text editing program, the program assigned to open such files. Such a list of materials can already be saved in the text editing program, as well as it can be changed here according to the user's preferences. In addition, after selecting such a material list, we can save it in the CSV format. The CSV format is a format that allows for such a list to be transferred to the Excel program. This list can now be viewed in this format. Additionally, after selecting the material list, you can choose the icon for selecting elements on the plan. After clicking the icon, we have highlighted lines. For example, we can mark one of the faucets. The program moved us to it and brought us closer to it on the view. In addition, after selecting the materials list, we can immediately enter the properties of the elements that we chose. Click the Properties icon for the selected item. It can be, for example, a water meter. We can immediately see the properties of this element. In addition, after selecting our list, we can change the pen, we can change the font, or for example, its color.